Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and connecting the symbol scanner. Make sure battery is charged or plug in now. Once powered, put the scanner into its communication mode, USB, RS-232, or Bluetooth, so your host device can see it. This prevents wasted steps. You should verify firmware and scanning profile match the system you'll use, because mismatches cause unreadable output. Once done, open the receiving app and select the scanner as input so you're ready to read barcodes immediately. Now configure the scanner's internal settings to ensure clean data capture. You enable only the symbologies you need, code 39, UPC, QR, data matrix, to speed decoding and avoid false reads. Then adjust beam intensity, aiming pattern, and timeout to match lighting and distance. This reduces motion blur and misscans. Finally, set data formatting. Choose keyboard wedge, HID, or serial output, and add prefix or suffix characters if your app expects them. Finish by thoroughly testing across real-world cases. Scan multiple barcodes at varying distances and angles so you catch edge failures. If codes fail regularly, recalibrate by moving closer or farther, changing tilt, or enabling a missing symbology. These adjustments fix most issues. Make sure to power cycle the scanner and re-establish USB or Bluetooth connections if communication drops. If persistent problems remain, restore the factory profile and reapply your saved settings. That usually clears corrupted configs and gets you back to reliable scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.